Hey guys, it's Liz, and today we're going to be doing an upper body blast as special requested by Carissa D. Thanks so much for the request, Carissa. We're going to get into today's upper body workout, but first make sure you do a 3 to 5 minute warm up and subscribe for more videos every single week. Okay, let's get started, yeah? If you're new to the 7-minute workout series, this is how this works. It is 1 minute each exercise with 30 seconds of rest in between. If you like this series, hit the thumbs up button so I know to keep making these videos for you. And as always, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be posting these every single week, especially by special request. So today, all you need for yourself is a set of dumbbells. I'm using 8 pounds today. Feel free to go 2s, 5s, maybe even 10s for this. We're going 1 minute, starting with curls. So soft bend in your knees. You're gonna curl your arms up. We're gonna work the biceps first. Today's upper body workout is going to be a comprehensive overview of strength training and sculpting for your upper body, which means we're gonna hit the biceps, the triceps, the shoulders, and the upper back, okay? So we're working on it all. Biceps, triceps, shoulders, upper back, and a little bit of the chest too. We'll get some push-ups there in the end. If you don't wanna do push-ups and you'd rather focus on your shoulders today, you can work on the shoulder press instead of the push-ups at the end, okay? But hold off, because we're not quite there yet. Right here, we're focusing in on the biceps. Your elbows are locked into your rib cage, and we're crunching, not using momentum, using your muscles. Have a nice, tight, yet relaxed grip on the dumbbells. Good, almost there. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, and exhale. So we're exhaling on the curl up. Good, there's curls. Okay, set your weights down, bend your knees to set them down, nice and gentle, shake your arms out. We just did a pull exercise, so now we're gonna do a push exercise. We're alternating push and pull today in this upper body workout. So the next move will be the tricep kickback, okay? So you're gonna take your weights. Again, bend your knees, pick them up, always using safety and good form. Have a couple more seconds here, so shake your arms out. You ready? We're going triceps. For the kickback, okay, if you have lower back issues, you may wanna do an overhead extension. But for your kickbacks, you bring your elbow above your back, soft bend in your knees, back is flat. You kick it back, keeping the elbow where it is, okay? So what you're not doing is rocking forward, right? You're not doing any of that. Say no potty rock, okay? Kick it back, good. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. If that bugs your back for whatever reason, you can take these up overhead and do overhead extension, okay? So you got 30 seconds left. Good. Try to minimize swinging. Muscles over momentum, always. And when in doubt, go slower. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. The neck can have a tendency to tense up here, so try to relax those upper traps. Good. This is a strength-based workout today. Beautiful. And there is your tricep kickback. Okay, the next one is a 3-part shoulder series. So this is really working the entire shoulder and the entire deltoid. Okay, so it's gonna be forward, scaption, lateral raise. Those are your 3 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. We have 10 seconds to go. So you could do this. I recommend lighter weights with this one. I couldn't find my lighter weights, so I'm gonna just trooper through these 8 pounds with good form. Exhale, lift, inhale, lower. Scaption, which is 45-degree bend, and then lateral raise, soft bend in your knees. Okay, then we repeat. So it's 3 parts. Front raise, scaption, lateral. Good. Beautiful. Front raise, scaption, lateral. If this starts to be too much for you, and say you're like me and you have too heavy weights, your form starts failing, it would be better for you to stick with one of these and shorten your lever. So what do I mean by that? Let's say I started to get really tired. I would just probably stick with lateral raise, maybe bend my elbow to make my lever shorter and just really focus on those medial deltoids, okay? Otherwise, front raise, scaption, and lateral. I'm starting to really lose steam here, but my form's still good, so I'm gonna keep going one more time. And out. Good, okay. Next move, the bent over row. If you wanna work a little bit of lower body, you can do this 30 seconds one side, 30 seconds the other, while holding a lunge, okay, stationary lunge. That's what I'm gonna do today. If you don't wanna do that, and you'd rather just do all of your rows together, palms in, you're gonna pull. So from the side, pulling up to your chest, okay? But I'm gonna do it in my lunge because I wanna get a little bit of action in my lower body today. So I'm coming in 90 degrees bend in my knee and I'm rowing. You could go heavier with this because it is upper body, upper back, a lot stronger here in your upper back muscles than these little tiny arm muscles. Good. This is like your whole upper back, your postural muscles. If you want to make it harder, you go lower or get heavier weight. You can even double up your dumbbells here if you don't have a heavier weight. Good. For those of you who are doing a single leg, you switch. That's your time. Good. So find it, hand on your hip, and row. Good. We got one more move. Remember, in the last move, you have the option to do shoulder press, overhead shoulder press, or you can do the push-ups down on the ground with me. Okay, so up to you. Couple more here. Good, and come up. So if you're doing overhead press for this last one, you're gonna take both weights up here, frame your face, exhale, press. Okay, if you're not, you're gonna opt for the push-ups. We're coming down onto the ground, y'all. Onto the ground we go. I'm actually gonna do them on my knees today because 1 minute is a long time, believe it or not, for push-ups. I bet you do believe that. That's not too hard of a sell. So I'm gonna do it on my knees to make sure I can keep good form and get full range of motion throughout the minute. Good. So it's better to do full range of motion with a shorter lever with your knees down than it is to do like this. All right, everybody can do this. That's not what we're doing. I want you all the way down, chest to deck. Good. Working the whole front of the upper body, your pec deck. Good. Pectoral muscles, pec major, pec minor, peckity pec pec. Good, almost there. Really grip the ground here and keep your neck neutral as you lead with your chest. A few more. And use your breath as you inhale, exhale to press up. Good, your breath is your secret weapon here. One more. Or just push your hips back, keep them high, keep your toes tucked, reach forward for your puppy pose. So your palms are pressing down into the mat. You're gonna stretch it out. If you want to, here, you can pause the video, repeat 2 to 3 more rounds of that, or you can go through the stretch and be done for the day, or you can mix and match with the other 7-minute workouts in this series. If you like this series, make sure you let me know by requesting what you want to see next in the series or hitting the thumbs up button. And subscribe would be nice if you want to. The invitation's there. Reach your hands back behind you. Clasp your hands in the back, make a fist. Sit up nice and tall and open up the chest. Good, we're going through the stretch now. Beautiful. Whew. Don't you just love that you can get this done pretty much anywhere, anytime. If you don't have weights, you could always use a water bottle. You could use a small child. Maybe don't do that. Without their consent, at least. Good. Reach the arms around forward, grab the fronts of your shins around your back, look at your belly button. Stretching your upper back. Good, and if you like this video and you want full home workouts from anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes, where I walk you through the full warm-up, the full workout, and then the full cool down, check out the Bikini Bootcamp program. It's a 7-day bootcamp challenge. You can get it for free, for a limited time. It's linked up in the description box for you below. And then if you want to go on to do the full 12-week workout program, giving you calendars in there, there's community support, full-time videos, there's a full recipe library in there of healthy recipes so you don't have to think about that kind of stuff. I don't know about you, but if you like things done for you and you like it easy, check that out. Clasp the hands here. We'll do the baseball bat version. So you're going to take it like you're swinging a ball, swinging a bat, swinging a ball. You're swinging a ball. I've clearly played a lot of baseball. Good, but make sure your shoulder stays down away from your ears. And then bring it across the other side, lower down. Simmer down, stay down there. Talking to my shoulder, not you. Talking to myself, really. Okay, shoulders are stretched out. Shake them out, do a couple shoulder rolls. Hold together, back and down, tilt your head to one side, roll your chin across your chest. Half circles with the neck. Nice and slow with control. Beautiful. You stretch out your whole upper body. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you like this workout, hit those thumbs up buttons so that I know. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week for another happy, healthy, sweaty workout. Bye.